friend Anurag has already told you the working principle of this prototype of that Pascal's law application. But now I am going to just elaborate some of the points which we have faced. Like first we have used copper sulfate solution to identify the points from where the leakage is there. So we get the point. Like here you can see this blue colors, something blue is there. Here the purple is there. Just leave that point. But here you can see this like blue. Like here you can see this blue. So these are the leakage points. Like here actually earlier we have used copper sulfate solution to identify that leakage point. Then we got this blue points from here the water is like coming out. So we have we have put the M seal to just nullify the effect of that leakage. But still, like we have already we have put that thing. After that we have taped it such that the water won't come, like some like up to some extent we will raise that thing. Here also the same problem is there, but earlier it was not a major problem. But when we have applied, actually we have after that we have used indigo color indigo and water solution to give the purple color. So from when we are applying the pressure here, then the water was leakage at a large amount. We don't know why, but the still leakage was there. And it might be like due to the when we are holding like this, it will be like some vibrations are there, or we are applying force. So it's maybe due to unbalanced forces also. So and also here the other problem is that the joints, actually we have used like M seal here also to raise that thing, but still like here there is no leakage, but the leakage was from this only, because this is the like somewhat like diameter is somewhat different from this and this. It's of not matching. Actually this is a standard component which we got from outside, but still some problem is there. Now here the advantage of this particular prototype is that from here only, by pressing this and here like simultaneously we can lift 4 things, like 1 2 3 4. It is we have to consider that what object we have to lift. Like here more force object will be there, here less force. If we are use alternately, then it will create some problem. And also we have used indigo color solution to take the displacement for our observation table, which I have already told you about that thing. And that's all for that thing. But here the one more problem is also there, the friction is there. So what we have done to reduce that thing, like lubrication part we have done, we have put some hair oil here such that some lubrication will be there, and we also have grinded that thing, that piston somewhat, like some material removal should be there such that very little amount of water will go in this rings, and it will help in moving. It is still the problem is there, but we have removed that thing up to some extent. So that is the working and the applications and some of the problems which we have faced. So thank you for